Okay, so we are inside of our Scratch, our latest and greatest concoction that we are making together. Awesome. So we see our preview window up here on the right-hand side, and here's our sprite window down here on the bottom of our right-hand side of our screen. Sort of smashed over here is our stage, and these are our backdrops, or what's going to be in the background of our awesome creation. And right here is where we're going to stick all of our code. And on the left-hand side, all of our different code is over here, sort of smashed on the very left-hand side. And we can go through, these are our motions, or what's going to make our little sprite move, and looks, sounds, events, controls, sensing, operations, what equals what, variables, things that we can create, and different blocks that we can make ourselves. Okay, so just leave the motion pieces out for yourself right here. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to create an event, and we want to kick off our coding. So we want to tell the program, okay, Scratch, when we do this, do this. Okay, so I want to go down here into my events. So I'm on my left-hand side of my screen. I was in motion, and then I came down to yellow in my events. And there's a list of different things that we can do to sort of kick off our program. Let's grab the very first one that says, when green flag is clicked. And we'll pull it into the middle where our code goes. And this means when this green flag is clicked, something happens. Okay, pretty easy. Now, what should happen when we click the green flag? Let's make a sound. So we go down here into sound, which is pink. And let's go ahead and pick out play sound meow until done. So let's drag that over. And so now when we click this, we hear the meow sound. When we click this, we hear the meow sound. Awesome. So that just means when this event happens, do this. Okay, and that's all programming is. Okay, so we have our little meow sound. What happens if we want to go ahead and record a sound that we make ourselves? Okay, so what we do here is we go into our meow, and let's hover on it. And instead of meow, which is checkmarked, let's hit record. Okay, now we can record our own sounds, or we can record our voices saying something. Okay, so let's say we want to record ourselves saying hello. So all we do is click this red button right here. Hello. And you can see my voice pattern. It gets really big. And then if I say something, if I whisper, it gets really small. And then I hit stop, and I can go ahead and play it. And you can see it gets really big. And then if I say something, if I whisper, it gets really small. And then I hit. Awesome. Okay, so now let's say that I don't like that. Let's go ahead and record ourselves saying, hello, my name is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit this, re-record. Okay, so it's not recording anything right now because I haven't hit my red record button. But when I do, I hit red record, and I can cut this out if I don't like it. So now I'll say, hello, my name is Stephanie. And then I hit stop. Okay, so now I want to go ahead and play this. So now I'll say, hello, my name is Stephanie. Okay, so now I think this is the part that I don't like. So I just drag this orange part over, and now let's play it. Hello, my name is Stephanie. Awesome. That's the part I want to save. So I hit save. Great. Now, so I see I'm automatically put back into my sounds, and I see there's my meow, and here's my recording one. So instead of saying it's recording 1, which doesn't tell me anything, I'm going to say my name. Okay. And let me go ahead and play with it a little bit. Hello, my name is Stephanie. Awesome. Okay. So let's do faster. Hello, my name is Stephanie. I sound a little crazy. Let's do even faster. Awesome. Now let's add a robot. Ooh, that is super cool. Okay, so let me go back into my Sprite. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this little tab right here that says code. And then instead of saying play sound meow, let's go ahead and play sound my name. So let's click this. Awesome. Okay, now my challenge for you is, can you please record yourself saying your name, saying what you are going to do today. So, hello, my name is Willie, and I'm going to run around today, and I'm going to wrestle, and I'm going to jump up and down, and I'm going to play baseball, and I'm going to watch a movie. Record yourself doing 4 or 5 different things that you're going to try to accomplish today. Maybe you're going to go to online school today. Maybe you're going to draw. Maybe you're going to play outside. Maybe you're going to make a snowman because it's going to snow today. Whatever you'd like. Okay.